क्या बोलती public? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to explain about the role of money market in India. So let's get started. Short-term requirement of borrowers. Money market provides reasonable access for meeting the short-term financial needs of the borrowers at realistic prices. Liquidity management. Money market is a dynamic market. It facilitates better management of liquidity and money in economy by the monetary authorities. This in turn leads to stability and development of the country's economy. Number 3, portfolio management. Money market deals with different types of financial instruments that are designed to suit the risk and return preferences of the investors. This enables the investors to hold a portfolio of different financial assets, which in turn helps them in minimizing risk and maximizing loans. Number 4, equilibrating mechanism. Through rational allocations of resources and mobilization of savings into investment channels, money market helps to establish equilibrium between the demand and supply for short-term funds. Number 5, financial requirements of the government. Money market helps the government to fulfill its short-term financial requirements on the basis of treasury bills. Number 6, implementation of monetary policy. Monetary policy is implemented by the central bank. It aims at managing the quantity of money in order to meet the requirements of different sectors of the economy and increase the pace of economic growth. A well-developed money market ensures successful implementation of the monetary policy. It guides the central bank in developing an appropriate interest policy. Number 7, economizes the use of cash. Money market deals with the various financial instruments that are close substitutes of money and not actual money. Thus, it economizes the use of cash. Number 8, growth of commerce, industry, and trade. Money market facilitates discounting bills of exchange to local and international traders who are in urgent need of short term funds. It also provides working capital for agriculture and small scale industries. So, yes, guys, let's now start with the role of capital market in India. Mobilizes long term savings. There is an increasing demand for investment funds by the industrial organization and the government, but the availability of financial resources is insufficient to meet the growing demand. Capital market helps to mobilize long-term savings from various sections of the population through the sale of securities. Number 2, provides equity capital. Capital market provides equity capital or share capital to entrepreneurs which could be used to purchase assets as well as fund business operation. Number 3, operational efficiency. Capital market helps to achieve operational efficiency by lowering the transaction cost, simplifying transactions procedures, and lowering settling time in purchase of sale of stocks. Number 4, quick valuation. Capital market helps to determine a fair and quick value of both shares and bonds. Number 5, integration. Capital market leads to the integration among real and financial sectors, equity and debt instruments, government and private sectors, etc. So yes guys, this is my video. Hope you like this video and share and like and subscribe to my channel. So yes guys, thank you very much.